everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kathy Jarvis, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about my bottle tree. I've had some people ask about it. They wanted to know why and what it was for. And actually I fell in love with the bottle trees on our visit down to New Orleans. Louisiana, you can see these everywhere. And so I had to have one. And this is what my bottle tree is looking like right now. Okay, we're back inside because it's way too windy to film out there. The only thing you're going to hear is the wind whistling across the camera and through the bottles. So get back to what I was saying about the beginning of the legend of the bottle tree. Many people think that the Congo area is where it originated, and that when they brought the African slaves over, that they brought the tradition with them. While it's true that they did bring the tradition with them, it's thought to believe that the bottle tree was being used way back in Egyptian times. Glass was first deliberately made in 3,500 BC in northern Africa. The hollow out bottles began to appear around 1600 BC in Egypt, and the clear glass was invented in Alexandria at 100 AD. So glass bottles have been around a long time. And the reason that they have the bottle tree is when the wind whistles across the top of the bottle, people thought that that was the moaning of evil spirits inside the bottle. They thought that during the night when the evil spirits came around, that they would get trapped inside the bottle, and then they couldn't get out because of the narrow opening, which is usually upside down. And then when the sunlight hits the bottle, it's supposed to have killed the evil spirit. That was the theory behind the original bottle trees. And they were usually hung on crepe maple trees because of the tradition based on the Bible of the Old Testament. So usually they used blue cobalt bottles, but nowadays any bottles would do. They use those in green, and the reason being that blue has always been associated with ghosts and spirits and stuff, and the green also is earthly. So it was bottle tree was supposed to represent the meeting of heaven and earth. And but usually they use those two colors. Nowadays any color will do. It's become more of a folk art thing than the traditional legendary reasons for having them. And usually you use bottles that you've collected over time, and that's how come they're not all blue, they're not all green. And so I'm going to show you today how to remove the label from a bottle quickly without it tearing. If you tried to just remove this label right now, you see it's going to tear, and it's going to leave the white on it. Simple way to get that label off is to run some super hot water. Once your water gets really hot, fill your bottle with the water. And then just simply grab the label, and it comes off without leaving any paper, or very few, paper residue. Okay, here's the bottle that had the, you can see, peels right off. Take the other corner and your label peels off without any problem. This works on any label. If you want to get the label off of the jar, fill it with hot water and slowly pull the label down. Dump out your water. And this bottle is now ready for the bottle tree. So if you learned anything about bottle trees, leave me a comment below saying if you have a bottle tree, what color bottles you put on it and why. And subscribe to the channel if you would, please. And give it a like and share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.